Hey, Extra Car Part friends, this is Jason, and we have a new product. This is the Racer Motorsports rolling cart stand. So if you're tired of working on your cart on sawhorses or blocks on the ground and you're always bending over, then you need this cart stand. So it has 10-inch pneumatic wheels. There's 4 of them. The front or rear wheels, depending on how you put the T's in, pivot. As you can see, they pivot. Again, 10-inch pneumatic wheels. The T-bars are removable. So you could put the narrow bar over the swivel tires or the large rear bar over the swivel tires. So just your preference. And then 2 of the tires, again, front or back, are fixed, depending on which way you're pushing the cart. We have a tool tray underneath. So this video is going to have the measurements. It's 21 inches inside, 21 by 9 on the inside measurement here. So as you can see, it's expanded metal, slotted, so it drains. You can put your toolbox right on top. They also have a cart stand that is a wider tray that you can go with. Again, the tires are pneumatic. The T's are removable. The wide T measures 26, well, let's go 26 and a half. So it's a little bit more than that, but 26 5/8 on the rear. On the front, it's going to measure 15 1/4. So again, if you're tired of working on your cart on the ground, the height of this cart stand to the top of the T measures 29 3/4 inches, 29 3/4 inches to the top. Overall width from crossbar to crossbar, 36 inches. And again, 10-inch pneumatic tires. The thing I like about these cart stands, they're very, very durable. I've seen these cart stands around for 20 years or so. As long as you take care of them, if you're going to throw them off the back of your truck or throw them in a trailer, they're going to fail a lot faster. But you can also remove the bars. You can take a 1-inch tube, stick it inside here, and you can stack these cart stands on top of each other. So that's a way to kind of compress them down. So again, this is the rolling cart stand from Racer Motorsports. You can find this on extracartparts.com. All of the links are below in the description. And we do drop shipping. So we offer drop shipping of these cart stands. And you know, I didn't give you the width. Let's give you the width overall from tire to tire. So this is more of a product informational video. 31 inches from outside rear to outside rear. Doesn't look like that in the vid. There we go. I have a new phone, so the camera's on a different side than I'm used to. But these are these are very nice cart stands. And the nice thing about Racer Motorsports, they're racers. I've known this family for 20 plus years. They've started karting. I believe they started karting here in the NorCal region, but I've known them since the 90s. And it's nice to see this product back on the market. So when you're supporting a racer-owned business, then in a way you're supporting karting in general. So check it out. Again, extracartparts.com, and we are drop shipping these stands if needed.